Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Let's meet with the new number 9. 9 mangoes on a tree. They are juicy and sweet. I love to eat them. Look at the flies. Count the flies. How many flies are there? Look at the ants. How many ants are there? Now let's count the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at the picture. 9 flies, 9 ants, 9 mangoes. Now think and tell. How many ants are there in the picture? What is the color of a mango? Thank you. See you in the next lesson.